Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna air filter. First, locate the air filter housing, typically found near the engine on the passenger side. Before you begin, make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You'll also want to gather a few basic tools, like a 10mm socket wrench, which might be needed to loosen any clamps or bolts holding the housing in place. This simple task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. Once you've located the housing, you'll need to unclip or unbolt the cover. Some Sienna models use metal latches, while others might have 1 or 2 10mm bolts that need loosening. These bolts are often captured, meaning they stay attached to the housing so you won't lose them. After loosening, lift the housing up and slide out the old filter. Take note of its orientation, as the new one will go in the same way. Before installing the new filter, it's a good idea to quickly clean out any leaves, dust, or debris that may have accumulated inside the air filter housing. Now, carefully slide the new engine air filter into the housing, ensuring it's oriented correctly, often with pleats facing down and a wire mesh screen facing up. Make sure it sits snugly and flush within the assembly. Finally, lower the housing cover and secure all clips or tighten the bolts firmly to ensure a tight seal. After installation, give the housing a quick check to ensure everything is securely fastened and there are no gaps. Regularly replacing your engine air filter, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, can improve fuel efficiency and engine longevity. You might also consider replacing your cabin air filter, which is usually located behind the glove box and helps keep the air inside your Sienna fresh. And speaking of great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.